guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while, but I've decided to come on here and do a little vlog for y'all today. Today I will be doing a bit of laundry. See the machine right there. It's nothing much because of course I'm just washing for me and my husband. I couldn't help it but see this splat. Don't watch it here. If you're a natural hair girl, then you will understand the natural hair struggles. So yeah, I will be doing a bit of laundry today. It's nothing much, as I said. I'm not sure if I'll be cooking because my shift starts at 12:30. Yes, I'm working from home, so my husband might do the cooking today. But if you want to see me doing laundry, then you can stick around with me because it's Sunday, of course. So yeah, you can stick around and see how that goes. I've started to wash some, well, I put in the white ones already. Yeah, this has red on it, but it also has white. So I normally put it in there with the white ones. So yeah, what I'm going to do is because hubby already filled the machine, so I didn't have to do that, thank God. So I'm basically going to be using my blue soap. Right, so this is my blue soap, real Jamaican. This is my way of doing it. So what I'll do is to soak them up, and then I add a little bit of soap powder. I'll show you that in a bit, and then get to washing. Fill in the water. So basically what I do is I soak them up. Yep. Soap up the towel. Blue soap. See that? See how blue it is? Yeah. That's how I want them to remain like that. And so they can be white when I'm finished with them. I want to soak them up properly. Show you get all of it. The other side. I think that's it for this one. And then I move on to the towel. You see why I say I put it in there? Because it has some white section, and it doesn't, the red doesn't normally do anything to these other white ones, so that's why I put it in there. So I want to get these sections. I want to ensure that these dirts come out of it. So yeah. So guys, now that I've gotten everything soaked up, and by the way, this is another towel. Of course it has white on it, so that's why I put it in there as well. So now that I have everything soaked up with the blue soap, I'm gonna add, you see how solid it is already? Yeah, I'm gonna still add some freshness. I've been using this for a good while now, more than like a few months ago, and it's very, very good. And I purchased this 1 kg. See, 1 kg, and it lasts me for more than a month, and I wash maybe 4 times for the month or more. Well, or maybe 3, depends. And it lasts me for more than a month, so it's very good. So I'm gonna pour it in. I'm gonna pour in some of it. Don't need a lot because of course you realize it's very soggy already. So yeah, plug this in, Normally I'll use an extension, but today I'm not gonna start. It's at 0. I'm gonna put it to here it starts, guys. That's how sunny it is. And it's not, the water it looks kind of dirty, but it's not. It's blue because I use the blue soap. You see how sunny it is, and it's moving a bit fast. It was at 15, now it's at 12, almost at 12. And then I'm gonna give it a second spin after this one is finished. So yeah, guys, in the meantime the machine is running. I'm gonna prepare my water to start rinsing, because I don't want really rinsing there because it takes time for me to wait until the washing is finished. Let me stop that thing. So right now what I'm gonna do is to add my Suavitel. This one is what, 848 milliliter, and it lasts for a while as well, more than a month. So now I'm going to add my Suavitel to the water. My husband filled this up before he left this morning, and that's to prepare to rinse. As I say, I don't really rinse in the machine. I haven't rinsed in there for a while because would have to wait until the clothes are finished washing for me to do that. And as I say, I'm working with a timeline because my shift starts at 12:30. So in the meantime, once I take out those, I'll start rinsing. Meanwhile, some are still washing. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna pour in 2 cups of this. 2. So now that I've poured that in, it's ready to go when I'm ready to rinse. So now I'm gonna start with the machine. It's spun for maybe around 15 minutes it takes. So I'm gonna start it again with the same white clothes, and then I'll take them out and add them to the bath to start rinsing. Then I'll add some more colored ones. You see how sunny it is? Now that I've finished washing these, I'm gonna take them out and put them in the bath that I've already prepped to rinse them in with the Suavitel. So yeah. Alright, so now that I've gotten them in this water, I'm going to go ahead and let them soak a bit in the Suavitel so they can get the scent of it. Now I'm gonna throw in some, sorry about the noise guys. So now I'm gonna throw in some not so dark clothes, these type of colors. And add these, some shirts to it, so those can start washing. These type of colors, and I push them down. Also gonna add this towel to it as well. I'm just looking for the ones that are not so dark. The ones that are the colors that are not so dark to add to it. So I'm going to add this, and then don't really have to push them the ones that I've rinsed, and I'm putting them into this to let them dry. Let them dry. Yeah. Well, not necessarily to dry, but it will wring out most of the water. So once I hang them out, they will be, once I put them on the line outside, I hang them out, they will be dry in no time. So yeah. So basically I'll just try to fold them and add them in there. So these are the only ones that I'm gonna put in there now. I fold them. Just like that. So now I'm gonna cover them with this. Cover it, and then laundry is ended. Of course there's more on the other side, but yeah. That's the goat, the caretaker's goat. Laundry has ended. It's time to go start my shift. I'm gonna get ready now. I look tired. If there wasn't really a lot, but I feel kind of sweaty and stuff, so I'm gonna get started. My shift will start right now. So basically that's it for today. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe and share my videos. Until next time, bye.